Okay, today we'll be making some Guyanese flatbread, and this is Ayden's special recipe, so let's get started. We have 3 cups of milk that we are going to warm. You just pop that in your microwave real quick.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. All right, now that we have our milk warm, we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of incense yeast, 1 teaspoon of vanilla or vanilla bean paste, whichever you're using. What are you using? Vanilla bean?
Vanilla bean paste.
Vanilla bean paste we're using. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and all of this is going to activate our yeast. It is instant and you could go right in and mix, but we're still doing this step. Just want to give everything a mix so your sugar is dissolved. Okay, now that that's mixed, we're going to set it aside and we're going to move on with our butter. We have 12 tablespoons. We're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or so, and then we're using a damp paper towel to put on top of it so we could get it melted. In the meantime, our yeast is activated and ready to go. So we're gonna start with how many cups of? 9 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and add in our yeast mixture. Ooh, little boo-boo there.
Yeah.
So the way we make our bread, or the way Ayden make his bread, is that we are gonna mix all of this together. This recipe has really perfected by this guy. So proud of you, Jay. Now this amount is gonna make 2 large bread, or if you wanna make like smaller ones, you could always break it up, but you could do half as 1 large bread and the rest as rolls. But next we're gonna go ahead and pour in our 12 tablespoons of butter, and everything goes in at once. And we mix again. This process has been the way Ayden's been making it for years now. He's the one that actually makes our bread. I do not make it. And I have a video out already for bread that we did last year, but we have definitely tweaked it, right? Yeah. Ayden has tweaked it several times, and this is the right mixture for us. Now we're adding in 1/4 cup of olive oil, and this is going to give us a really nice consistency when the bread is finished baking. Now there's lots of different recipes out there and everybody makes it different, and that is okay. Okay, we're going to continue to mix. That is everything in there, right?
Yep.
Yep. So we're going to mix until our dough comes together. All right, for this step, we're going to go ahead and get our dough on the table. And now is the part where we need to knead. And this kneading is one of the key steps in getting your bread to have that nice, soft, fluffy consistency. Right, Jay?
Yep.
Definitely need some muscle going into this. You're gonna need for about, what do you say, like 4 minutes? 4 minutes. Like really kneading though. As you could see, he's turning it in different angle, just kind of moving it around and folding it in. Knead again. You fold, you knead, fold, and you keep doing that pattern. By folding, when your bread is baked, you'll have all those layers. Now we're going to go ahead and get a big bowl because you need space. Put some olive oil in there and we're just going to work that around the bowl. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and drizzle some more olive oil on it. Next, we're going to put some saran wrap. Wrap everything. For 1 hour and 30 minutes. We're going to let this sit in a nice warm space. Normally we like to put it in the oven because it's nice and warm in there. So you could also put a towel over it as well. Okay, and here is our dough. It raised beautifully. Now it's time to go ahead and cut it in half, and then we're gonna cut again into 3 pieces each, and this will give us our 3 pieces to start braiding. And it's pretty straightforward. Just follow what Ayden's doing and you will be fine. I also want to take this moment to say that thank you all for your continued support throughout the year. We finished a year into having this channel and we've been having so much fun doing it. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not, please go ahead and hit that button. We try to put out recipes that we enjoy and that we think, you know, is good to share with everyone. We also have our Amazon storefronts that we get all of our essentials from, all of our pots or pans or baking essentials, even things that we cook with, like cooking ingredients. So all of that is available on the Amazon storefronts. I will leave a link in the bio or in the description. Go check that out, and all of that supports our channel and we do really appreciate you all. So thank you, and yeah, I hope you try this bread, enjoy it, let us know for sure if you make it and you know how yours came out. But let's get back to Ayden here, huh? Our bread rise beautifully. They're looking good. Now it's time to prepare a little mixture that we normally baste it with before it goes in the oven. Started off with some brown sugar, some milk, and then we're gonna warm it. Okay, and I should say that we also add 1 tablespoon of butter in our mixture that we're just gonna glaze on our bread. Looks so good. Look at the size of that. Beautiful, beautiful. All the time and patience, Jay, that you put into this. Beautiful. So good. And now this is ready for the oven. And we are at 350 degrees and we're gonna bake for about 25 minutes. All right, our bread is out and Ayden just finished glazing, and as you could see, it is what's the word I'm looking for? Delicious looking. I'm lost for words right now. These came out perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Looks so good. Okay, we're gonna let this cool down for a few minutes and then we can cut a slice and show you how beautiful it looks inside. This way you guys are gonna be drooling and wanna go make it right away. Right, Ayden?
Yep.
Yep. Can't wait. It's very hot. I don't want to press on it, but it's like, as you could see, it is super soft. All right, let's get another slice. Oh, that's so soft and fluffy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's see it, Jay. Let's see it. There we go. That's what you're looking for. Break it. Break it. Let's see the inside. Oh, look at all those layers. That fluffiness. Great job, JJ. So proud of you, my baby. Mmm. Who's eating? Dad's taking the crunch. Let's see. How's the taste? Great job, great job, great job, great job, great job. All we're missing now is some jam, some butter, some peanut butter, some Nutella, condensed milk. Oh, you're making me want condensed milk right now. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make this for your family. They are gonna thank you forever. Enjoy. The recipe will be listed. Let me know in the comments if you make it and what you think about it. How did you make yours different, if you did, or if you're used to making yours different. Just perfectly okay, because we're all different. We all created different. We do things different. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Peace out.